Good morning. Today I'm making creamy pesto pasta with garlic shrimp. This is a recipe that my sister-in-law gave to me years ago. So let's get started on Darlene's table. So first thing we're going to do is mix up the marinade for the shrimp. That's brown sugar, all my seasonings. I combined my dry seasonings together, lemon juice, olive oil, and we're going to mix this well. The dry seasoning consisted of Italian seasoning, black pepper, dried basil, and some paprika. There was a little drizzle of olive oil left in the container, so I used it as well. These are the sliced garlic that I'm adding to this. I did double the marinade recipe and the amount of shrimp in the recipe used because I wanted everyone to have plenty of shrimp. A beautiful Gulf shrimp. Make sure you coat every shrimp with the marinade. So you want to marinate this at least 20 minutes, but I will be marinating it a little longer. And that's fine. Doesn't hurt at all. So now into the refrigerator. And we'll start on our creamy pesto pasta sauce. Alright, now the pasta sauce. Now I did not double the recipe for the pasta sauce, but I knew I wanted additional shrimp and I doubled the marinade for the shrimp. So that's 1 stick of butter and now 1/4 of a cup of shallots. I'm going to let this cook for 2 or 3 minutes. I'm adding the garlic, going to cook for another minute. Now I'm going to add 2 cups of heavy cream. And we will stir this continuously for about 6 to 8 minutes. It'll thicken up some. I added the black pepper, some freshly ground black pepper. See, it's starting to bubble and it'll thicken up. See how much thicker it's gotten? Now I'm going to add 1 cup of Parmesan cheese. Really let this melt in well. Once it's melted, I'm going to add the pesto. I just use a prepared pesto, but you can make your own. I used a little more than 1/3 of a cup. I probably used 1/3 of a cup and then 2 to 3 tablespoons more. How about some cayenne in here? It helps everything. That's nice and thick pasta sauce. The shrimp marinated for about an hour and now my husband is grilling them for me. Let's put this together. I used linguini, a fresh linguini. Put the grilled shrimp over it and add the sauce. Oh, garnish with chives or parsley or both. My sister-in-law Sharon made this for a get-together and blew us away. Creamy pesto sauce with a ton of Parmesan cheese, ladled over grilled shrimp and linguini noodles. I mean, it was delicious, so rich and satisfying, and trust me, no leftovers to worry about here. This is one of those recipes you have to share with others. That's up to you, but whatever you decide, I promise satisfaction with every bite. Once more, I want to thank my sister-in-law Sharon for this recipe. It will be forever in my best recipe list. I cook every day and we post as often as we can, so if you enjoy this content, you should consider subscribing to my channel. Until next time, have a blessed day and come back and see what's cooking here on Darlene's Table.